stop going to see this bra at all. It's freaking.
Oh, that's even worse. What do you mean? I'm just kidding. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
How am I supposed to tell her?
Just say it. Just tell her the whole everything. And Mom, you should just not say a word until he's done talking. And then you do what you gotta do. Michael. Michael. Remember the mentality I told you to have.
Tell her. I just told her. I'm getting that fudge.